Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to solve this particular problem, this particular sketch we will create in Creo Parametric. So once again, at the beginning you just have to create set your working directory. So you can see that I have created a folder with my name in the desktop, and this is where I want all my files to be saved. Now click new and choose part, click OK. You can also give a name to this. Let's say I'm giving it the name of sketch 2. Click OK, and once again it presents us with a three-dimensional space with three perpendicular planes to start with. So on one of these planes I can create this particular sketch. So I'll just click on this plane and choose the sketch option. If the view doesn't reorient itself, you just need to click on this button over here, and now we can start creating this particular diagram. So now the way we will create it is we will first create this particular these two lines. Okay, so I just create a horizontal line and a slightly crossed one. Now the reason I'm not drawing the entire diagram here is because I just want the size of this to be with relation to this to be correct. Okay, and also I just want these lines to be mirrored on the other side so that symmetry is always going to be maintained, because here you can see there are no dimensions given from the center line to keep it at the center. So naturally he wants the author wants us to make this diagram in such a way that it is symmetric about this particular axis. So having drawn these two lines, I'll just select them both and choose mirror command and select this axis. I can see that on the other side also the two lines have been created. I'll take another line and join this point over to this point and click mid mouse button. Right, so whenever you want to come out of any command, you just need to press the middle mouse button. Now let's go ahead and define all these dimensions that have been given. So you can see that some extra dimensions have appeared apart from what dimensions we actually need. So to create new dimensions, we just have to click the dimensions command here, click on the line to which we want to create dimension, and click mid mouse button somewhere near to it. Now we just need to give the dimension that we want, and it's going to be applied. So click the mid mouse button again to come out of this command. Now that one of those lengths is correct with respect to this, I can complete the rest of the diagram. So I just need to create something like this. Once again, I want this line to be symmetric on the other side, so I'll just select this, mirror, select the axis, and just take a line and join these two. I'll need a circle and the center, this, and I just need to trim it off like this. Okay, so that done, I can go ahead and give the rest of the dimensions one by one. This dimension we already we need it, and it's already there, so just give that. This is 60 degrees. Even there it's given on the right side, I can just give it on the left side because both are symmetric in any way. Then I need this total length from this point to this point. That dimension doesn't exist, we have this in its place. So click on the dimensions, click this point and this point, and click here below the middle mouse button. Once you click the middle mouse button, the distance between these 2 points will appear here. You can change this. Now you can see that our diagram is shaping up correctly. The next thing that we need is this angle over here. So I just need to the dimension command is already selected, so select these 2 lines with left click, click mid mouse button somewhere in the middle here. This will give us the angle symbol, and in its place the other dimension has actually got disappeared. You can see I just want to keep this angle as 60, and it has come out. Now I need this total height that is present over here. Okay. Okay. fine. So this is all right. So let's not waste time. So this total height we need. So choose the dimension command, click these two lines with left click. Somewhere on the right side, and click the mid mouse button. Oh, it has not appeared. Let's try again. Select this, left click, mid mouse. Yeah, this length I want is just 259. Then I just need this radius. That's radius is already there. I just need to change it to 60. So all the dimensions that are present here have been fed, and we see that there are no other dimensions, no extra dimensions available here. Neither are there any dimensions here in this diagram that are left out, which means we have created our diagram exactly the way it is meant to be. So having created this, you can just click OK and go for saving this diagram. You can see this name we had already given at the beginning, so we can save the same name in the button directory that we had set. That's it. So click OK, and that's it. See you in the next video.